Well, hi there guys, welcome to the channel, and as you can see I'm back out in the woods, and I'm back out today with my wife Claire.
Hello there.
And our dog Bramble, getting a bit of a stroke there, and we're just enjoying a little bit of time out in nature, and it's a beautiful day. The sun keeps popping out from behind them clouds up there, but today we've come out to test a new bit of kit. We're going to cook something to eat, just going to cook a simple bacon sarnie today. But we're going to cook it on the Winnerwell Folding Fire pit, and I've bought this because I think it might be a little bit of a decent kit for stealth camping. So what we'll do, we'll get the bag opened up and set it up, and we'll get a fire in it and we'll see what it's like. As I mentioned, I bought this for stealth camping, and got the bag, and let's take a look at the contents of the bag. I must admit, the bag seems pretty decent quality. The handles and everything on the clips seem a really good quality. The bag looks as though it's waterproof, and the stove itself, I believe, stainless steel. And we've got the grill, the top grill bits for it. We'll put that on one side. We've got the base, and as I mentioned, this is all folding, so it can fold either way. So we'll just put the base down there. We've got the plate for the coals. That actually goes in the stove itself. Let's get the stove out. And there we go, there's the stove itself, and we'll just sit that on top of the base there, like so, and we'll put that in. And what I'll do, I'll put on the screen the dimensions and the weight of this. And as I said, I've bought it for stealth camping. It's not the lightest, but I think if you're not travelling miles, then it should be okay. But yeah, we'll get a fire lit in this now and get something to cook and get a brew. You ready for a cuppa? Right, today we're not going to do any fancy bushcrafty fire lighting methods. We're just going to light with one of these twist wood wools just to get it going, because it's all about testing this stove and not bushcrafty stuff. And we've got a bit of some twigs on there and a little bit of kindling that I had in my bag, so we'll get some of that stacked up around there. Put some of the smaller bits and some of the bigger bits to the outside. Some nice small bits there. We'll put them on there so they catch. Well, we've got some coals on there now, so we'll see if we can get this piece of mesh on. That just slots in there by the looks of it. Yep, that goes in there. And we'll get the kettle on and get a brew on the boil. Some water in there. There we go. Some water on. Get that lid back on there. Get that up. There we go. We'll bring that to the boil. We'll get a few more little sticks at the back there. We'll see if we can push them down through the mesh. Well, that looks like we've got a boil, and that didn't take long at all. So we'll lift the kettle off. We'll get some more wood on, and we'll get some pans on to get some food cooked. Oh, listen to that. Oh. Whew. To dodge the smoke before I say what I've got to say. Whew. Good thing about these ridge monkeys as well, the way that they're split. You've got two pans for the price of one, pretty much. Well, that bacon's cooking really nice. So what we'll do, we'll just put it all on one side, and on our way over here we managed to find some nice fresh duck's eggs, so we're going to cook them up now. But the shell's solid, my days, look at that. So that was a bit of a bonus really. There's one. Got some heat there. Two. Oh, I bust it. Never mind. I'll have that one. You sure? Well, look how amazing them yolks look. They look fantastic, don't they?
Yeah, they do. The white is really white.
The white's lovely, innit? I'll just run that through there. Well then, that's us sitting in front of the fire with a brew and our sandwich. How's your sandwich, Claire?
Amazing.
Tasty. First impressions of the stove? Absolute cracking bit of kit. As I mentioned earlier, I'll put the weight and the dimensions up on the screen. Anything you think about it?
Well, it's quite good, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's got a heat as well.
Yeah, it's kicking out some heat. The only thing I would say is you're probably best burning for a while and having a lot of embers for cooking on, rather than trying to keep too much of a fire going. That was a bit of a pain, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But apart from that, it's going to be a great little bit of kit, I think. And I think for stealth camps, I think it'll be ideal. And that's the purpose I bought it for, and that's time will tell when I get out on a stealth camp with it, won't it?
Yeah.
Oh. Right, we're going to kick back and enjoy our sandwiches because we are quite hungry. And just like to say thanks for sticking around and watching the video. If you're new around here, please check out our other content and hit that subscribe button. Please hit the thumbs up and always stay safe and feel free to share the video. Bye for now.